watu wako wengi. Oh my god. People care about themselves. Not only us. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for watching. Today I'm outdoors and I've decided to do a nature hike and I'm going to take you guys along with me. If you're in Mombasa and you're looking for a place to just take a walk and connect with nature and just go out, this is a really good place. A lot of guys come here in the morning to do their exercises, to do their walks and also ride their bikes. They also have a playground for kids, but currently it's closed down because of the COVID situation. You can also get a bike for hire if you don't have one of your own. I mean, this facility just gives you the best of outdoor entertainment and you can come at any time. It doesn't have to be in the morning. I believe they're open up to late in the evening. Butterfly Pavilion is a facility that is within Bamburi Hala Park, located along Mombasa Malindi Highway before you get to Shanzu. This idea came about to promote the recovery of certain butterfly species that was disrupted by the mining of cement by the Bamburi factory. Hi guys, say hi to my camera. Last time we not introduced.
Don't
Hi.
Our stomach.
Oh. That is what I'm going to post. Hi.
Hi.
This is designed in such a way that you can walk as many kilometers as you want. We decided to take 5 kilometers walk, and in that case we're following the pink arrows, so they're going to guide us to make sure that we walk the 5 kilometers. Guys, we are so psyched up for this walk, I'm telling you. Morning guys, I hope you're all doing okay. So today we are out in the woods and we decided to take a walk with my friends. I remember last time I told you guys I like coming to this place. It's called Butterfly Pavilion. They have really good nature walks and nature trails. You can have lots of fun with your friends. Just trying to keep my mind busy and active and get a little bit of sweat going. So that's what I'm doing today. It's actually Saturday morning. My hair's popping.
Tembea basi. Matope wapi? Katoa wapi? Na kujanyesha huku.
There are very many benefits of taking a nature walk. Number one being that you're already putting in some effort into your daily working routine. If you're dealing with a stressful situation and you're trying to lighten your load, this is a very good way of you to actually do that, because it gives you an opportunity just to free your mind and take a walk and just breathe in the fresh air and relax. Having a relaxed mind actually enables you to think through the ideas that you have in mind, and in turn enables you to give a better output in whatever it is that you're working on. It also enables you to connect with family and friends in a very eased out environment. Lastly, I think this is just the best way to spend time with yourself, connect with yourself, and just have several meetings with yourself. So along the trail, we also came up along certain challenges and exercises that have been set up for you to try out. I think this was a very good idea, just to make the whole experience a bit challenging and even more fun. came across so many beautiful natural scenes. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm trying to zoom. There's a bird that has been perched on that branch on the water, and it looks so beautiful. So yeah, this trail is so beautiful, guys. You should come and check it out. Now this is the Kenyan athletic spirit, guys. We decided to take it a notch higher. So there's also security that goes around just to make sure that the place is safe for everyone.
So,
And then continue. Doris, even you need to. Yes, good girls. I'm telling you, 2 kilometers. Done 5. Actually, done 5. We'll continue back at 10. Who even does that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Doris, focus. You have one job to count for.
1. 1. Wewe ingia ndio nianze kukaunt. Huyu bado hajaingia. Muingie pamoja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nainua mguu na
kuinua mwili yako.
nainua mguu.
Jisukume kichwa juu ya road. 1.
Continue. 5 seconds each.
Ju, Doris. Doris, not like that. Up. Yes. Yeah. A tree fell down. So like this is just the real natural flora and fauna, like not disturbed at all. Well, that place looks like it's now the other side of the world. Black and white.
Another kingdom.
Ah,
It's the evil queen.
yeah, that's where the evil queen lives.
On the edge, that is the edge of the forest.
The edge of the world.
Trouble.
Now una relax kabisa. But then now your Saturday is
today. Oh, yes.
your Saturday is made. And you won't even feel guilty if you sit with your leg.
And then the best part is I can carb beans today.
Why? It's your cheat day?
Yes.
Are you serious?
This is fasted, God. You haven't had breakfast.
But breakfast, I don't know about you, I don't take breakfast that early. So there's also space set aside for you to just sit down and relax. If you've had a long walk and you just want to sit down and have a rest, you can do that. And also maybe if you're planning to have a function here, or if you're planning to have a picnic, they've also set aside some space for you to come and cook, carry your dishes, carry your cooking equipment, and just do your thing. If you're planning a big function, just make sure to talk to the management so that everything flows smoothly. This rock looks like it's smoking something. The smoking rock. So guys, we are almost coming to the end of our trail, and I really hope you've enjoyed the tour. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with us till the end. Kindly, if you're not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscription button and become part of the family. I'd also like to hear from you, so kindly also leave your comments down below, and hope to see you again. Thank you.